with 4 hours worth of work, I made $17,893.77. That is insane.
All my dogs peace, all my mobs deep. Get in your bag, ain't no lost street. Ain't no smoke, it's choke. We want all the heat, we want all the heat, we want all the heat.
In this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to make free passive income in 3 easy steps. Let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. How to make free passive income. But before I actually dive into this content, let's take a look at this, right? Now, if I go to my email, right, and I click here, payment process, Dear Wolves Academy, Eric Ellis, you've been paid $778.93. So you've been paid $778.93 in free passive income. I know it doesn't say that, but yes, this is free passive income. If you guys want to go ahead and see more proof, right? On Monday, I made $100. On Sunday, I made $109. On Friday, I made $62.13. And in the last 30 days, I made $1,326.73 in free passive income. So, first and foremost, who am I? My name is Eric Ellis. I am the Wolf of Marketing. If you guys like making money online, go ahead and hit that subscribers button, hit that notification bell to join the fam. And for those of you coming back, welcome back. Now, in this video, as stated before, what I'm gonna go to do is teach you guys how to make free passive income in 3 easy steps. Now, if you guys are wondering, right, what that is, $778.93 with no investment, right? And then we have over $1,000 per month in passive income, no investment, no money required, right? Basically, guys, first and foremost, the first step is what is the actual business model? The business model is called affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is referring other people's products. So if somebody creates a software, you can go to recommend that product. If somebody creates a course or something along those lines, you could recommend that product. Even if it's a physical product, somebody else did all the dirty work. They created the product. They put in the blood, sweat, and tears. You're simply just finding people who are trying to solve that specific problem that product solves, connecting the two together. Whenever a sale is made, you get paid a commission. Now, how are we making passive income? Because there's a lot of affiliate products out there where it's really not passive income. You go ahead and make a sale, boom, you make $1,000 commission. I have some affiliate programs that I currently promote where I make $1,000 commissions, but it's not ongoing residual passive income. And guys, I don't even like to use passive income. This is literally like one of the only methods that I would even say something along the lines. But basically, how are you gonna go to do that is by specifically promoting continuity programs. Now, what is the continuity programs? 2 examples of continuity programs is a membership website. So for example, a website that you're paying month in and month out because you're paying for some sort of membership, and whatever you get with that membership, you're getting some sort of value, so you're paying month by month. For example, an example of a continuity program would be your Netflix membership. It's a membership that you have to pay every single month to get the benefits of being a Netflix member, or Hulu membership. Those are digital products that you're paying a monthly membership, right? So you can actually find affiliate products that have continuity programs, these membership things that people are paying a membership to actually be a part of them. Number 2 is a software, right? So software companies, basically, software companies are companies where people pay month in and month out. For example, Microsoft is the biggest software company, one of the biggest software companies in the planet. Bill Gates, right? Richest man in the world, or was rather, before Amazon. And Microsoft, you have to pay every single month to get access to the benefits of being to their software, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and actually find an affiliate product that allows us to promote this product that people are gonna pay month in and month out, to meaning I only need to get one sale, one transaction, and that one sale is gonna pay me month in and a month out. And then the more sales you get, the more people are gonna be paying for that membership or that software. You're then gonna go ahead and actually start getting residual incomes, because people are gonna continue to pay it as long as that software or that continuity program is delivering results or helping them solve that problem. They're gonna continue to make that payment. You're gonna continue to get passive income. So there's 3 simple, easy steps. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys which program that I'm currently leveraging right now. It's called ClickFunnels affiliate program, right? So if you guys notice, I made $18,000 so far in free passive income. I only promote this in 3 ways, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to actually promote this in a second and how you guys can get the similar results. But there's 3 steps that we need to take. The first step is actually creating your free account. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna pause this video. Once you pause this video, you're gonna click the first link in the description. Once you click the first link in the description, it's gonna go ahead and actually open up this page right here. It's gonna say join ClickFunnels for free today. So you can literally create a free account, right? A free, absolutely free, no investment whatsoever. You're simply gonna go ahead and put in your name, put in your email, put in your password. You're gonna click the green button. You're gonna go ahead and create an account. As soon as you create your free account, step number 2, very simple, right? You're gonna go ahead and get access to the ClickFunnels dashboard, right? So once you get access to the ClickFunnels dashboard, then you're gonna go ahead and actually become an affiliate for their products. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and once I create my account, so after you finish step number 1 by clicking the link down below and actually create your free account, the next step is you guys are gonna go ahead and actually go to this page right here, and then at the bottom left, you're gonna see something saying more affiliate tools. You're gonna click that link, and then it's gonna go ahead and actually come up like this. Welcome to the ClickFunnels affiliate program. ClickFunnels pays 40% monthly reoccurring commissions. That's passive income, reoccurring income, right? And then what you're gonna do is you're simply gonna go ahead and click this blue button right here. And once you click this blue button, you're simply gonna go ahead and actually register for becoming a ClickFunnels affiliate, right? And once you go ahead and do that, the next step is once you actually have an account, you're gonna be able to log into your dashboard, right? So this is still part of step number 2, right? Which is actually becoming a ClickFunnels affiliate, right? Now what we're gonna wanna do is once we become an affiliate for free, did I say that? For free, like absolutely free, then we're gonna go and actually shop affiliate offers, right? So there's the 10X Secrets, there's the 30-day summit, there's the affiliate bootcamp, there's the ClickFunnels affiliate center, there's the .com secrets, the expert secrets, guys. They have a whole bunch of different affiliate products that you guys can promote. But if you guys want to promote a product that is going to pay you passive income, right? If you sell a book, you're not gonna go ahead and get passive income. If you sell the 30-day summit, you're not gonna get passive income. You simply wanna go ahead and actually promote their software, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to get my affiliate tools and links right here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get my free 14-day trial. So I'm gonna go and actually create this, I'm gonna get my affiliate link. So this link has my affiliate ID. Whenever somebody makes a purchase through this specific link and they sign up, right? Once they actually use the software, they're starting to actually leverage it. And what is the actual software? The software teaches people how to build automated websites, AKA sales funnels that allow you to sell products on complete autopilot online. So what you're gonna do, right, is once you grab that affiliate link, step number 3, if we go back, step number 3, guys, is simply promote it. Now, what are 3 ways that you can promote this for absolutely free, right? The first way is product reviews. Now, what do people do before they actually decide to make a purchase of a product, right? They actually look at a review. So 2 places that you guys can actually make product reviews. For example, if I go to my blog here, wolvesacademy.com, and I go down and I look at product reviews, you look at one of the first ones. I did a review on ClickFunnels. So if I go to read more, if I look here, right, this is basically a review that I did on ClickFunnels. Throughout the actual piece of content, I have my affiliate links, right? So I literally have a video, and aside from my video, I have my affiliate links. Now, not only that, guys, I also did a product, I did a YouTube video. So killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You can do a product review as a blog, or you can do a product review as a, on YouTube, right? So basically what you do is you would go ahead and create a YouTube channel, you go ahead and drop actually go through the actual software. It's a free trial. Once you go through the software, see how you like it, see the benefits of it, so on and so forth, do your research on it, and then literally just give your honest opinion on the actual software. After you give your honest opinion on the software, people are obviously looking to make a purchase. Instead of going to the website, you simply just say, hey, look, if you guys want to go ahead and take action, I believe it's a good software. I believe it's a good product. I use it myself. Go ahead and click down below. Once you guys click down below, you guys can actually get access to my specific affiliate link. Now, the best thing that you guys want to do is you want to go ahead and actually incentivize people to make a purchase with you. So you give them some sort of bonus. If you go ahead and create an account with me, I'll go ahead and give you a free training, teach you how to use the software or something along those lines, right? So that's the first way that you guys can promote this for free. The second is how-to blog posts, right? So a how-to blog post is, okay, let's go to the Affiliate Center, ClickFunnels. What is ClickFunnels? It says everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your product and service online. So what are the type of people who would need this type of product? People who are trying to sell products online. So what you can do is you can go ahead and create content teaching people on your blog how to sell products online and say, if you want to make it way easier, check out this software. And then you're going to go and actually redirect them to your affiliate link. Then they're going to go and actually do software because it's going to help them sell products online. And then you're going to get paid recurring commissions. And step number 3 is how-to videos on YouTube. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and actually go on YouTube. I'm going to show you guys. If I look in my channel and I type in ClickFunnels, right? I have 11 videos. So guys, I've promoted this for free. I have 11 videos with the keyword ClickFunnels in it. So for an example, how to make money with ClickFunnels for free. That's a how-to video, right? So somebody who's looking to make money with ClickFunnels will find this product, or excuse me, find this video. Once they find this video, they're gonna go ahead and then actually sign up through my affiliate link, and I'm gonna get paid residual commissions. Another one is how to create a sales funnel. So I'm teaching people how to actually use the software. Now guys, out of my 11 videos, they total 26,000 views. So all I did was literally create content of how-to videos, basically showing people how to use this product. And what they do is after I teach them how to use the product, I basically give them access to my affiliate link. And when they get access to my affiliate link, right, 26,000 views, 11 pieces of content, only 4 hours invested. So guys, literally with only 4 hours worth of work, right? 4 hours worth of content. With 4 hours worth of work, I made $17,893.77. That is insane. So with that being said, guys, anybody can do this. All you have to do is click the first link in the description, and once you click the first thing in the description, you create an account. Once you create an account, you're gonna go ahead and go to the affiliate or the dashboard. You're gonna set up an affiliate account. Once you set up the affiliate account, you're gonna shop products. What I would recommend is simply just promoting the software, how-to videos and review videos and blog posts, right? So teaching people how to use the software, teaching people how to, writing your own review, your opinion on it, redirecting that traffic to your affiliate link, and collecting passive income. If you guys like that video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell to join the family, but make sure you hit that damn like button because it really does help. If you guys want to know more ways to actually make money online, there's going to be a video that pops up right here. I appreciate you guys. Take action on the links down below. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out. I will see you on the next video.